Hey YouTube, B more again. So, my father-in-law gave me his old toolbox in replace of my old toolbox. So it was pretty much a early Christmas gift. Um, so, anyways, this is what I have right here. It's pretty much the same thing, a little smaller, but I had that. It's done fell off the back of a truck. Like literally fell off the back of a truck. You know, I left my tailgate down and it slid out of the. I have a plastic liner in my truck and it slid right out like butter. Hit the ground and twisted the whole box. But anyways, so I got a little upgrade going on. So now I went from that to this. You know, a little better, you know. Actually, it's a lot better for me. I'm happy, you know. I can't afford no toolbox right now, you know. Toolboxes aren't really the cheapest thing in the world. But yeah, so this is my little upgrade, thanks to my father-in-law. Yeah, man. Tell me what y'all think about my toolbox. You know, I have to lift this for that to unlock. Well, I have to unlock it first, but you know, I don't have a whole lot in there right now. But yeah. So that's it, YouTube. Like, share, subscribe. Feel free to comment me. Y'all have a good one.